In this video, I'm going to show you how to change contrast in Photopea. Begin by opening your Photopea project and loading the image or canvas where you want to adjust the contrast. Contrast adjustments help improve clarity by increasing or decreasing the difference between light and dark areas in an image. Once your image is open, move it slightly to the left to make space for the adjustment panel. Click on the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, represented by a half-circle icon. From the menu that appears, select Brightness/Contrast. This will open the contrast controls on your screen. You will now see a contrast slider that you can move left or right. Moving the slider to the left reduces contrast, making the image appear flatter and softer. Moving it to the right increases contrast, making highlights brighter and shadows darker. You can also type in a specific numerical value if you want precise control. This method works for all types of images, including older or low-quality photos that need better definition. Reducing contrast can reveal hidden details, while increasing contrast can make an image appear sharper and more impactful. If your project contains multiple layers and you want the contrast effect to apply only to a specific image, right-click on the Contrast Adjustment layer and select Clipping Mask. This will limit the effect to the layer directly below it. And this is how you can change contrast in Photopea.